gone.
Look.
Okay, now you have to push them without a hole there. It won't work.
Mommy, it just stopped. Okay. Look, it's gone. Jeez. Mom, come on, get down.
Oh God. You missed, by the way.
Missed what?
You will fit into the metal. No, I don't bother. I take my own and I can walk. Yeah, because
why don't you get the webcam and put? Why don't you get the webcam? Get a fucking webcam, plug it in, and just look around the internet. No, I mean you can watch them upstairs. There's a webcam, I have a webcam there. Can you extend the lead?
No, I don't have a blade. No.
How long can you extend the lead of a webcam?
I cannot do this because I don't know how to
Put it in.
Down here, webcam. Yeah, you hold it.
How's it plugging in though?
PC.
Can you extend it? How far could you extend that?
That's all.
No, but could you extend it?
No, you can't.
How do you know?
Because that is the one you do with moving model.
No, but I'm asking you, can you extend it?
No.
And so, why?
Because
Why do you say that without knowing whether the can or not?
Because the ball gives you the quickest answer for mine in the metal.
I don't know what is happening. How can
To
I
extend the lead, so that to plug it from here, a long lead into a computer.
Do you have it?
Hmm?
I don't know.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
No, I don't mean no, because you need a cable, but can it be can a webcam like that drive a long cable from here to the...
I never see it.
I don't know.
Me
This is
too.
the question.
Me too.
Fuck. I'm asking you, I'm just speculating on a question. Understand, look, if you had a camera there and it was plugged into the internet, you could watch them anytime you wanted.
Don't eat anything.
Why didn't they eat
It's very hot.
Maybe you could buy a cheap camera, like a long, or a cable to extend a normal webcam. Maybe it'll work from here to your computer, or a computer, my computer, or from here, or move that to another location. You only got to get up to the room. Or is there such thing as a wireless webcam? Bluetooth webcam. Right, there you go. Bluetooth webcam, move the cage over there, say, and get your Bluetooth transmitter as close to the room as possible. You might have, maybe, it's up to you. Do what you want. Alright.
John, if you look at that, it's very disgusting. Look, it's very scary.
I know what they look
Just a
like.
newborn
You
baby.
see before, yeah?
Just a new one.
It's just bare skin, it's just, they don't have feathers yet.
But it's very small.
It's not about one.
That's what they are, they're small.
Well, embryos coming
Come out of an egg the size of your fingertip.
Yeah.
Right? They have to be as small as the egg.
But when I see that, it's running up and then. When he was John.
Remember, she tried to say you were pink.
No, he was.
Pink and
With
hairless.
black eyes when you were born, bulging eyes.
And then going like...
No, when he's born, I thought it was like God. I never have any relationship to any black person. He was so brown.
Oh, yeah.
He's so brown, but I asked doctor, are you sure that is mine? It's so brown that...
Switch the eggs.
It's so brown that the father said, no, it's not his.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, it's like half black at that
Did
time.
you sit on him for 9 months?
No.
But he's not brown now, he's getting whiter all the
Yeah,
time.
I think
Yeah.
yeah.
When you're like living around and...
Because I think we've been exploring
His hands now, look, are nearly... Come over here, man. Actually, look at that. Now he's pink, kind of.
No, because
Turning into a pink
because
person.
you're brown.
I've done it with that on YouTube, we can't. No,
I'm more brown than that. Look at that, man. Look. Have a look.
Yeah, you're brown, John. Yeah, that's why. And then you're whiter than John. Because John exploded to the sun.
Yeah.
Explode.
Exploded.
I thought the camera practice on video. you could see the chicks being fed.
Yeah. But you could see, like, you could see her movements. You could see her feeding the young later if you had a camera there.
Yes, too.
I think we just caught her feeding the young.